Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to hide notification on lock screen on your device. For this settings, you have to open settings on your device. After opening settings, you have to scroll down and click to notification here. After clicking to notification, you can see here lock screen notification option. Click lock screen notification. Then click to hide content. If you click hide content, all notification on lock screen will be hidden. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.